call Shivaji Maharaj a great man, don't we? We celebrate his birth anniversary with great pomp and reverence. It is a happy day for you children. You sing songs and povadas in his honor. You garland his picture and say, Shivaji Maharaj ki Jai. Now who is this Shivaji Maharaj? What was the great work he did that we celebrate his birthday every year? Would you like to know? Well, the time in which Shivaji Maharaj lived was that of the medieval period. In those days, monarchy or the rule of the kings prevailed everywhere. Many of the kings pursued their own pleasures and enjoyments instead of the welfare of their subjects. But you know, even in those days, there were some kings who looked after the welfare of their subjects. The Mughal Emperor Akbar in the north and Emperor Krishna Dev Raya of Vijayanagar in the south are famous in history for their benevolent rule. Likewise, Shivaji Maharaj also commands great respect even today. Fill in the blanks, choosing the correct option. A. The time in which Shivaji Maharaj lived was that of the dash period. Your options are ancient, medieval, or modern. Did you get the answer? The correct answer is times in which Shivaji Maharaj lived was that of the medieval period. Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj in Maharashtra. Swaraj means self-government, our own rule. For about 400 years before Shivaji, Maharashtra was not free. A large portion of it was under the rule of Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and the Adil Shah of Bijapur. These two sultans had divided Maharashtra among themselves. Their officers ruled Maharashtra on their behalf. These two sultans, Adil Shah and Nizam Shah, were narrowing their outlook and oppressed the people over whom they ruled. They were also sworn enemies of each other. They constantly fought against each other, with the result that the people suffered and were harassed. The poor people could not get enough to eat, nor could they celebrate their festivals or worship their gods openly and freely. They were not sure of safety even in their own homes. There was injustice everywhere. In Maharashtra, there were many Watandars like Deshmukhs and Deshpandes who owned Jagirs. They loved only their Jagir and not their country. This constant fighting among them brought great misery to the people. There was misrule everywhere. People were tired of this oppression and were very unhappy. Fill in the blanks, choosing the correct option. Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj in dash. Your options are Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, or Uttar Pradesh. The answer is Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj in Maharashtra. Write the answer in one sentence. Who owned Jagirs in Maharashtra? Answer. The Watandars like Deshmukhs and Deshpandes owned Jagirs in Maharashtra. Shivaji saw all this. He undertook the noble task of establishing Swaraj in Maharashtra, which would bring happiness to the people. He first brought to book the Watandars who fought among themselves. He then used them in his plan to establish Swaraj. He fought against the powers that oppressed the people and defeated them. He established Hindavi Swaraj based on justice, fair play, and equal treatment to people of all castes and religions. Shivaji made no distinction between Hindus and Muslims. He honored the saints of all religions and sanctioned yearly grants for them. We draw inspiration from these noble deeds of Shivaji. During a period of about 300 to 400 years before Shivaji, many saints were born in Maharashtra. Their work helped Shivaji in his successful effort of establishing Swaraj. Write the answer in one sentence. What powers did Shivaji Maharaj fight against? Answer. Shivaji Maharaj fought against the powers that oppressed the people. What noble task did Shivaji Maharaj undertake? Answer. Shivaji Maharaj undertook the noble task of establishing Swaraj in Maharashtra.
अगर आप अपने सिलेबस के सारे चैप्टर्स इस फॉर्मेट में देखना चाहते हैं तो हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल करें। ऐसे ही और एजुकेशनल वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल होम रिवाइज को सब्सक्राइब करें।